Hello guys, welcome back to Koii Nodes. Koii Nodes is running well, and it's the last month to join to do some damage here, make some money, and as they say on their Twitter, 2nd Jan 2025, so literally 3 weeks time, they're gonna launch the mainnet. And as they urge you, don't be that guy that you were not running the nodes. It's extremely easy. It's just an app like that. I'll show you in a second, step by step here, but just install it on your laptop, on your PC, run it, put your computer to work. It's a network of computers harnessing your computer power, let's say, and they're obviously in testnet now for a while. I already got some points, got some coins. Now they added different other coins, like the fire, like the big one, ocean, so I'm gonna show you in a second. But the main thing here is just to download, install. It's very easy. You can also download the Fini wallet, which is then you can send the coins to your wallet, and this is like on their network. This is built on Solana, but this is their internal network. And also I'll put the link down below for step-by-step guide. Basically, if you run into trouble somewhere, I'll put the link down below. It's very easy. So as I said, you'll get this link. You'll download the nodes. In the download, you will see a affiliate link. You can use mine, a referral, because you'll get some free tokens straight away. You need 2 tokens to start. Then you have some like connect Twitter, connect Discord. You'll get some coins to start with. As you can see here, you create your pin, you will get some coins from the faucet. It will look like that. Click on get some Koii. It will give you some if you put my referral there. And also there are some other tasks like connecting Twitter and stuff. Once you're done and this is installed, you will see obviously something like this without the running. So you just add the task here and you'll see a bunch of them. As I said, some of them are different tokens. So you will see the easiest ones are the Koii ones, which is inflation task and KPL. So once you get some Koii coins from the faucet, you will see them here, and literally you'll find those 2 inflation and KPL token here in the add task, and this play button will be blue, and you just press it and it starts running. Very easy. The other ones here require other coins, but they are continually adding them to the wallet, so very nice indeed. And as you can see, everything is growing, and I received some free fire and the big ones, and I did the same exact thing, went to the add task and press play, and this just runs in the background and starts collecting. Once you collect it, you have a button here to collect rewards, and it jumps into your balance. And as I said, you can transfer them to that wallet. If you install it, you just copy your address, send the money, the one that you want, and that's it, always ready. So check it out, guys. Very, very time sensitive, urgent call to start earning some Koii before it's too late and get some money. Free airdrop. Thank you for watching.